Hello and welcome to the end of day 2 of DevLearn and the next part of my Tech and Learning in Las Vegas vlog post. I'm reporting to you from the opulent ballroom which we've just finished DemoFest at the end of the day. Starting backwards, DemoFest has been an absolute blast. I've just spent a good 2 hours demonstrating the Alair 3D Unity products that we developed, and Charles has been demoing Tesso. Unfortunately, neither of us won our categories, but we got some really lovely feedback from loads of lovely people and had a really good time doing it. So that's DemoFest at the end of the day. Going back to the beginning of the day, I got my first good night's sleep and have woken up really refreshed and I'm back in the right time zone, just in time to fly home tomorrow. Another really early start, 7:15 again for the morning buzz, but I went to a really interesting session about augmented reality, talked to various people who've either been considering using AR or using AR, some really interesting use cases. Then we went to the keynote, Bo Lotto, who's really charismatic guy, British guy, neuroscientist, talks about perception and the brain and how that relates to learning, so that was a really interesting session. Then I went along to a session showcasing stuff with more stuff with the XAPI Hyperdrive, so the people who'd won the XAPI Hyperdrive challenge thing. So some content I'd seen before, but it was a general theme here, loads of people talking about XAPI, which is really interesting, obviously for us with Tesla. So good to see loads of people interested in that. Then what did I do? Then I went to a thing about data, which sounded really boring, but actually was quite interesting, about how to use data when you're prototyping and designing learning solutions, and then how you can use data to measure the effectiveness, so kind of Google Analytics style reporting on e-learning, and then improving your courses. And there's a little bit in there also about XAPI and the sort of additional granularity you can get from XAPI reporting. And then I went to a talk about 3D in learning from a Frenchman called Thierry, who talked about aeroplanes, but I only saw the first kind of 20 minutes of that. It was pretty cool, but then I had to come here to set up for DevLearn, for DemoFest at DevLearn, and that's it. So that's it, here we are, end of day 2. I spent the day on the run from the e-learning brothers, who were trying to track me down to take a photograph of me with their Bon Jovi mannequin. Pretty random, but we are in Las Vegas. See you tomorrow for hopefully more of the same. Bye!